Hi, I'm Bo Frick with Reimagine Builders, and today I'm here to talk about what's included with our standard basement development package. At Reimagine Builders, every basement we build is a custom basement. Our standard basement development package has been put together as a foundation for our quoting process and to take the guesswork out of budgeting. Building off of this foundation, we will customize a basement to your exact specifications and will provide a firm quote prior to starting construction. Our standard basement development package is perfect for basements with 8-foot ceilings and up to 600 square foot of developed living space. The package includes finishings for the living room, 4-piece bathroom, and a bedroom. It also includes all of the planning and permits, design, framing, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, fixtures, vanity package, toiletries, drywall, taping, texture, choice of carpet or laminate flooring, finishings, tile work, professional painting, and cleaning. The standard package covers all the essentials you need for your basement. But of course, if you want to dress it up, we can do that too. We can also build bars, fireplaces, home theaters, custom built-ins, or anything else you desire. Thank you for watching our video. Please let us know if you have any questions or feedback for our channel, and please do take a moment to like and subscribe. Also, if you need a quote done on your basement project, please visit our website, reimaginebuilders.com, and click Get a Quote so we can get started today.